Welcome listeners. Today we are going to learn about soil compaction in geotechnical engineering. What is compaction? Compaction is the compressibility of soil, or we can say the expulsion of air voids from the soil medium. So the compaction in all the construction practices, it will be helpful for us to determine the bearing capacity of soil and also the volume relationships. The compaction can be estimated using the standard vector compaction test, which is the IS method of finding the optimum moisture content and maximum dry density. This test can be done at various water contents. So the first level, we will start with 8% of water, depending on the type of the soil, whether it is a fine grained soil or a coarse grained soil. The amount of soil that we will be taking is 2.5 kgs, and take the mould, keep it in an open tray, put the soil in that and add 8% of water by weight. After adding the water, make the soil into 3 layers, and each layer keep it in the mould by giving 25 blows each. When you are giving the blows, you need to give in a circular motion so that all the layer is get compacted. After the first layer is being compacted, using a straight edge, trim it off and then keep the another layer. Like this, the total mould has to be filled up with 3 layers, each 25 blows. After the mould has been filled up, the uppermost layer should be trimmed off again, and then the top core has to be removed. From the soil, you need to take the middle portion in order to determine the water content by keeping it in the oven for 24 hours at 110 plus or minus 5 degrees centigrade. After finding the water content for different soil layers, we can draw a compaction curve from which we can find the maximum dry density. By keeping the x-axis the water content and on y-axis the dry density, take the moisture content at each trials that you have made and find the dry density for each level and plot it on the curve. The maximum dry density and the corresponding water content will give you the optimum moisture content, which will be used for all the purposes of finding relative compaction and how to compact the soil in each and every construction practices. To sum up, the compaction helps us in all determination of strength of the soil and its bearing capacity. Thank you.